What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm gonna do a comparison. So what you can find in Goodwill and the comparison in the like the real world or the retail world or however you want to word it. So I recently purchased some new items as well as some old items that I don't think I've shared with you guys yet. But then I'm gonna find like if you would find it somewhere else other than Goodwill prices to show you what kind of bargains and some treasures you can actually find, and not all scuffed up necessarily either. So that's what the video is going to be about today. And I also wanted to share that if you haven't noticed, I think this is the second week or the third week, don't remember, but I think my video times are going to be Wednesday and Friday. I should say days. Still haven't decided on a release that time on those days. But I think after 12 is safe to say. But Wednesdays and Fridays, guys, is where you can check out the new videos. So anyway, let's continue. First item I want to share with you guys is this cute, I think they call it a hurricane candle holder. I actually got two of them. That's the other one right there. But I bought them as a pair, and they were only together. It was only, I think, less than $21 together, guys. And these bad boys or regular, even on here, I'm gonna just show y'all the price on here. For one, it was $45, and they're pure one an item. So $45 for just one, and I got two of them for $21 or less. Boo. That's called winning, okay, guys? And it is real cute. I want to show you the comparison size if you can't tell. That's my hand. Duh. But I love them. And I guess it's called mercury glass. I'm not sure. But that's the first item. And this wasn't from Goodwill. This was actually from another just a thrift store. Okay, the second item is this cute, it says a toy chest, trunk, what have you. But I'm going to actually use it to put clothes and other bedroom items in it. But I was like, oh yeah, this will go perfect. Because you already know this is my headboard. Yes, it's still in my living room. So when I saw this, I'm like, bam. And they have one of those, like, you just open it and it stays open. And it's noisy. It was only, I think, yeah, $19.99. And this item was from Goodwill. Show you the size. It's pretty much just basic. And this item is actually originally from Target. And I'm going to actually put the picture up on here to show you the comparison price. You see what I'm talking about? I got it for $19.99. Remember that, okay? So that's what I'm talking about, guys. You can find pretty much anything. I ain't going to say, well, anything at these stores. You're just going to have to look. You can't just go one time. You got to go frequently, guys, to find the bargains. And that's my little toy chest. Okay, this is my next item, guys. These cute suitcases. Y'all, I've been wanting to use old vintage suitcases as decor in my rooms. One of my rooms, I should say. And I could never really find the cute ones like these. Baby, went to Goodwill and I scored. Y'all, these are so freaking cute. They're dusty still because I literally just got them the other day. But look how much I paid for them. Okay, it's backwards. But, turn y'all around there, I can see it. Can y'all see it? $12.99 for the big one. And the price ain't on here, but this was only $5.99. So together, under $20. Y'all not gonna beat that. Under $20, and they super cute. And guess what? They both have the original keys that even came with them. Too cute. So I researched it, and this is one price that I found. Well, yeah, for each item. See what I'm talking about? And I paid under 20 for both. Come on now. Goodwill, y'all. Goodwill. And they're so cute. Dusty but cute. Okay, last on the list, I found some more ornate frames. Y'all, I'm addicted to them. I'm not going to lie to you. I tell myself, you know what, you don't need anymore. But when you find a good priced one, baby, it's hard to pass up. And these beauties was only $10.99. I know it's upside down, guys. And I even like, see the details of them. I think they're like 22 by 27. I'm not sure about the measurement, but they're nice size frames, guys. This is my hand to show you how the comparison. But even the artwork isn't too bad in these particular ones, but I don't really think I'm going to use it. But two frames this size in this wood. I'll show you how the back of them. For $10.99. That's an awesome price. You can't even find 8x10s at that price. Matter of fact, I just bought an 8x10 frame for more than just one of these, okay? So, I'm going to show y'all what I found online. How much for a wooden ornate frame without a picture in it would cost. Okay. I just love them, guys. So I am going to find a special place for them. And there you have it, guys. See all the treasures you can find in Goodwill or thrift stores in general without paying an arm and leg for them. Y'all better holler at that thrift store and see what y'all can find. And stop wasting and spending all it. Now, it will. Sometimes, I will be honest, all the items that y'all saw, they found me. I did not find them. That's how I like to see it, because I really wasn't necessarily looking for those items. But when you find them at the right prices, you better go ahead and get them and make it do what it do, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. And as always, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you next video, guys. Deuces. I change her name every day, but we're going to call her Lucy today. Lucy the llama. Hey, girl.